Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to talk about the Pecah Kucha presentation. I want to present about Indonesia country. So Indonesia is the biggest country in the world, one of the biggest country in the world. And Indonesia have so many culture in Indonesia, and there are so many islands in Indonesia. And then Indonesia, the capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta, but maybe soon will be moved to the Kalimantan. Okay, let's talk about Indonesia. Okay, so first I want to talk about the president of Indonesia. Indonesia not use king as a leader of the country, but using a president as a leader of the country. Okay, first president is Mr. Soekarno-Hatta. He is the first president of Indonesia. He be the president on the 1945 until 1967. And then the second president is Mr. Suharto. The period of the president is 1967 until 1998. He is one of the president Indonesia that very long to be the president. Around 30 years maybe he be the president. And the next president of Indonesia is Mr. B.J. Habibie. He also not just a president, but he also the scientist. One of the discover is crack system on the wing of the plane, and the period of Mr. B.J. Habibie is start from 1998 until 1999. He just be the president 1 year, not long like Sukarno or Suharto and others. Okay. The next president of Indonesia is Gus Dur. His name is people call he Gus Dur. He also not too long to be president, just around 2 or 3 years, start from 1999 until 2001. And next president is Ms. Megawati. He is the he is the child of Mr. Soekarno-Hatta, and he is the popular people in Indonesia because he be the president 5 years, start from 2001 until 2004. The next president of Indonesia is Mr. Bambang Yudhoyono, Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, and he get to period to be the president. First period is 2004 until 2009, and the second is 2009 until 2014. Okay, this is the last president of Indonesia. He also get to period. First period is 2014 until 2019, and 2019 until 2024. Okay, about the history of Indonesia. Indonesia was colonized by Japan, and then England, Dutch, German, but in 1945 Indonesia can be the Independence Day, independence country. The date is 17 August 1945. The proclamator of Independence Day is the first president, Mr. Soekarno-Hatta. And Indonesia was colonized is very, very long. Not just 1 year, 2 years, but it's very long. Okay, and now about the religion of Indonesia. Indonesia, there are around 6 religion in Indonesia. First, Islam, Protestant Christian, Catholic Christians, Hindus, Buddha, and Confucius. The Islam people, the popular religion in Indonesia is Islam. Islam is the range of Islam is 89% people in Indonesia, and second is Protestant Christian, 7%, and Catholic Christian 3%, and Hindu just 1%, and Buddha 0.74%, and then Konghucu 0.05%. So that's why Indonesia there are many religion in Indonesia. So also in Indonesia there are so many culture, and Indonesia also be the big country. Okay, now I want to talk about the currency of Indonesia. Indonesia using rupiah from the currency. So the type of rupiah is there are 100. This is 100 rupiah, and there are 75. The new type of the rupiah is 75. 75, and then the next is 50,000, and then 2,000, 20,000, and then 1,000, 5,000, and then 10,000. So this is the new image of the new money of Indonesia. Okay, now I want to talk about the population of Indonesia. Indonesia is the biggest country. There are so many islands in Indonesia. There are Sumatra, and then Kalimantan, and Sulawesi, and then Bali, NTT, NTB. There are so many islands. One of the biggest population is West Java. The population of West Java is 50,000 population, and then on the East Java is just around 42 population, and then North Sumatra is around 35 maybe, 35, and then Banten is around 15, and for Jakarta is around 10, and also Sulawesi, Lampung, and Sumatra is around 8, and then Riau is around maybe 7 or 5. Okay, now I want to talk about the tourism place of Indonesia. Actually, Indonesia has so many tourism places. There are Monas. This is one of the iconic of Indonesia. Monas. When you come to the Monas, you can learn about the history of Indonesia, how Indonesia be the independence independence country, and then what happened after Indonesia be the independence country. And then yeah, there are so many history actually in Monas. And then the another place is one of the popular places, Bali. Actually people from another country come to Bali to refreshing, because the view of the Bali is beautiful. There are so many beach, and there are so many spots that we can come to the here. And then the another place is the popular place is also temple, Borobudur Temple. This is actually the popular place in if I'm not wrong, in Java, in Jogja, and there are this. It's like a temple for Hindu or Buddha. I don't know, but Buddha temple is good. Now I want to talk about the culture of Indonesia. Indonesia have so many culture. There are dance, and then there are home, and also there are t-shirt traditional t-shirt. This is the example of the dance from Indonesia. It is from Jakarta. The name is Ondel-Ondel, and this is from West Sumatra. This is a popular dance, plate dance from Padang, and the last one is Kayau dance, is from Kalimantan or Sulawesi, I forget. And this is the example of traditional home in Indonesia. There are Kebaya home, it's from Jakarta, Gadang home from West Sumatra, and Betang home, I don't know from where. And now I want to talk about the traditional food of Indonesia. Indonesia has so many traditional foods from Sumatra, Java, Sulawesi, Kalimantan, until Papua. The traditional food from the West Sumatra, the example is the popular food is rendang. Rendang is the popular food of West Sumatra, and rendang be the best food in the world, one of the best food in the world. And the popular food from Jakarta is we call nasi uduk. Actually our most of people in Indonesia breakfast with nasi uduk when in the morning, because the taste is good. Also we can choose the dish of the nasi uduk, like egg or noodle or something. And the example of the last food is we call satay. Satay is one of the popular food also in Indonesia. It's like from the chicken, and then with the sauce, and then the taste is also very good. They are smoky, and then there are what is that? Sweet taste, and then there are a good taste. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.